It's another question time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. All right, another question time on the books. This comes from DAX AT Attacks. DAX Attacks. Is that how you pronounce your name? DAX Attacks. Hey John, I was just wondering, what are your thoughts on Nintendo ADR stock? Do you see potential going up? So I actually looked up the ADR code and I couldn't find it, but I'll have a look at Nintendo, and this is what I found with Nintendo. I can see that with Nintendo over the short term, they had a massive run up. If I look at say a bar chart, you can see that it had this big sort of massive gap up, and it ran up, and now it's come back down to this support level. I don't like trading. I don't like trading when a market that has such a big gap like this here. It's definitely not something that I like doing. So when you have this gap here, and you can see you have this point here to this point here. Here's that whole gap. And we are at a historical level of support. Let's make that black. We are at a level of support, and it looks like it's holding through there. But we have such a big gap that's coming through here that the market just took off because of I think it was the Pokemon Go or something. So you can see that that's basically what's happened through there, and you can see that that's basically what's going on through there. So for me, I don't like that. If you did want to take a trade and this actually met your trading platform, you could have an entry if it starts to break up from here. If we start to get a little break up, that could be an entry with a stop just below there, and again have 2 times your profit target. But again, you need to have your trading plan. Is this particular trade in line with all the other trades you take? Right, not just this one, because that's just gambling, right? All the trades need to be very similar. You do that, you like to do very well from the actual markets. Make sense? So look at that and ask yourself: is this within line of the? Is this a similar setup to what I normally take? Secondly, what's your trade management? Have your stop and have your profit target at least 2 to 1, right? At least 3 to 1. And then thirdly, make sure that if you do that, make sure that you're only placing around 5% of your account on this one trade, because it may be a loss. And if it's a loss and you lose maybe 5% or 10% on that 5%, well, your account's only down 0.5% to 1% in total. Do you know what I'm saying? So I hope that helps you out there. And that's basically what I see with Nintendo. Be smart about your trade decisions, guys. And remember always that there's no guarantees, or not every single trade is going to make you money. So just be very smart and intelligent with the way that you trade the market. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.